What if you could take any long video like a live stream, a product demo, or a podcast episode, and in just a few minutes, get a stack of polished, ready-to-post short clips that actually perform? Forget about those endless hours of fiddly timeline edits, hunting through mountains of footage, or paying a freelance editor every single week to handle your content. That is the whole vibe behind Vizard, and honestly, once you try it out for yourself, it is really hard to go back to the old way of doing things. User-generated content used to mean endless takes, awkward jump cuts, and exhausting late-night editing sessions. Now creators want that perfect balance of authenticity plus speed, needing content that feels completely real but looks professional at the same time. Vizard sits right in that sweet spot by not replacing your creativity, but instead speeding up the boring, technical parts so you can focus on making stuff people care about. Here is the deal. The AI automatically finds the best moments in your long videos, the laughs, the hot takes, or the product reveals, and turns them into viral-ready clips. Think of it like having a tiny, ruthless producer on your team that already knows exactly what makes audiences stop scrolling in their tracks. Just upload your long video, pick your style, and the AI scans for highlights, trims them into punchy segments, and even adds captions optimized for silent autoplay. Let me show you how I actually use it. Specifically, when I have filmed a long, 45-minute product walkthrough for something like a new perfume or running shoes. Traditionally, I would have to scrub through hours of footage, find the specific spritz moment or first run reaction, and then spend an entire hour editing each single clip. With Vizard, I upload the full file and the tool instantly surfaces candidate clips like the close-ups or my excited reactions, all timestamped and ready to preview. You can preview those auto-edits, tweak the in and out points if you want, and choose a specific style for your captions and trims. The captions are surprisingly accurate and editable, which is huge because most viewers on social media are watching your clips without any sound. I like to keep my sentences short and sharp, so I often trim a clip down to a single zinger line because short equals punchy, and punchy equals more shares. Another feature I absolutely love is the auto-scheduler, which lets you set a posting cadence for all your platforms, like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. You can set it and forget it, letting the algorithm do the heavy lifting while you stop worrying about manually uploading to every single site. If your audience is global, you can even export captions or translated subtitles for multiple languages, making sure the same clip works perfectly in different markets. There is also a built-in content calendar where I can see all my scheduled posts in one place, drag and drop to change dates, and batch edit my titles. It is such a massive time saver for creators who juggle multiple series, as everything lives in one place instead of across 8 different spreadsheets. Now, full disclosure, there are other shiny tools out there, like those specializing in AI avatars or fully generated on-screen presenters. While those are cool for static product shots, they often come with limits and can feel less authentic because the presenter is generated rather than reacting to real footage. Most of those avatar tools focus narrowly on a single video and do not help you repurpose a massive library of existing interviews, tutorials, or streams. That is exactly where Vizard shines, because it is purpose-built for repurposing content, meaning you are not starting from scratch but amplifying what you already made. Whether it is a long podcast, a demo session, or a live stream, the tool turns those long-form files into highlight clips that feel raw, real, and engaging. Here are a couple of pro tips. Always keep your hooks in the first 2 to 3 seconds, and lead with emotion or a bold claim to grab attention immediately. Another subtle win is that by repurposing long videos, you protect your creative energy instead of trying to script 10 separate short videos from thin air. It is significantly more sustainable for solo creators and small teams to make one great long video and let the AI extract dozens of different angles. Quick example, I once uploaded a 30-minute demo and Vizard produced a set of clips, a POV kick test, a sensory description, and a feel-first look at new gear. I scheduled them across the entire week, so each product had its own micro-campaign without any extra shoots or complicated edits required. If your goal is to scale content from real footage while preserving authenticity and keeping everything snappy, this is the tool that will save you hours. Pricing and plans vary, but the real return on investment comes from the time you save and the extra posts you can publish without hiring a full-time editor. More clips simply lead to more reach, which gives you more chances to convert casual viewers into loyal followers or paying customers. Before you jump in, remember to keep your recorded sessions conversational so the AI can find better moments. And don't be afraid to test different clip lengths. Don't be afraid to rerun older long videos through the tool, because a clip that didn't hit a year ago might crush right now with a different thumbnail or trend. If you are into working smarter rather than harder, this changes the game by automating the grunt work so your energy goes where it truly matters. Click through, upload a video you care about, and let the AI do the heavy lifting so you can get back to creating more content for your community. You will end up with a folder full of ready-to-post clips, a calendar that does not stress you out, and plenty of extra time to just create. If you like this walkthrough and want more tips on squeezing value out of AI tools for creators, hit follow, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching and happy clipping!